union wants you to know we have your back, and we remain committed to serving all of our members all of the time. That means our branches will remain open as long as possible. The safety of our members, employees, and community.
Like, the other kids in the neighborhood are hanging out. He just wants to go out and hang out with them.
Their parents aren't doing social distancing?
This weekend there was like a day where everyone in the neighborhood was like, we can keep 6 feet apart, but the kids like totally started ignoring it, and Sarah, who was just very paranoid, reasonably, about spreading
my eyes, and I'm taken to a place where your crystal mind and magenta beam take up shelter in the face of my spine, shit like a chicken cherry cola. I don't need to try to explain, I just hold on tight, and if it
I do think all of us should be washing our hands a little more. It's safe to say nothing has really been such a topic of conversation.
you don't have to change when I'm around you. So go ahead and say what's
Yeah, and then instead of opening it where it's like you're opening it and the rolls are facing down, flip the scroll over and roll it out. Yeah. And that's what it... Extending the screen by pulling the whole thing apart.
Until one man held a mirror up to the young country and said, "This wilderness is part of who you are." That was Alexander von Humboldt. Wow. This time on Side Door, we tell his story.
We're gonna be fine. I know I am privy to all the information. I ain't getting updates by the minute, and I'm telling you we're gonna be fine. That's what they want. He had a recorder.
Modern world. More information about Sloan at www.sloan.org.
How do we reinvent ourselves? And what's the secret to living longer? I'm Anoush Zamarodi. Each week on NPR's TED Radio Hour, we go on a journey with TED speakers to seek a deeper understanding of the world and to figure out new ways to think and create. Listen now.
I'm Jad Abumrad. This is Radio Lab. So it is 1847. Iggy Semmelweis is flummoxed. He's noticed a very distressing pattern that